Hello, I'm Chris, an adult Barbie collector. Welcome to my channel. Today, I'd like to share with you some dolls that I've recently unboxed. So grab yourself a cup and let's get started. Our first two dolls have been hanging out here for 5 years in their boxes. I purchased the entire set of 6 Barbie Looks dolls when they were issued in 2021, but sold off the 4 ladies. Here we have Ken, model number 4. He's fully articulated, has flocked and rooted hair. I'm not sure about the man bun, but it can stay for now. He's dressed in white from his mesh tee to his high tops. I've named him Jonah Bach, and I think the ladies are going to love him. Our next doll is Ken, model number 5. He is also fully articulated, has flocked and rooted hair, and a shadow of a beard. He is dressed in a black tee, black faux leather pants, and white high tops. I would have liked black high tops, but that's just me. I think this Barbie Looks group is known as the Black and White series. I'm always looking to add some handsome guys for my ladies, but I think we might have some fistfights over these two. Our next two dolls are from the Barbie Looks line, released in 2023, but I've only had them for a few months. First, we have Barbie model number 16. She's so pretty. She's on a curvy body that is fully articulated. She wears a romper that looks like 2 separate pieces from the front, along with magenta wedge sandals. She has beautiful curly hair that will need a little attention out of the box. I think she's one of my new favorite dolls. Next is Ken, model number 17. His short black hair is flocked, and his face sculpt looks Asian. He is fully articulated and wears a purple tank top, pink pants, and white high tops. He'll be a nice addition to my group of dolls. I think this Barbie Looks group is known as the Color Block series. I really like both of these dolls a lot, and I'm happy to have them in my collection. Next, we have 2 dolls from the Barbie Looks series released in 2024. This is Barbie model number 20. She reminds me of the Integrity dolls. They never look happy. She has long red hair that has some highlights in the front. She is fully articulated and wears a sleeveless crop top, a lavender metallic skirt, and knee-high purple-heeled boots. She really is beautiful. Here is Barbie model number 21. She is also one of my new favorite dolls. She has long black hair that is microbraided. She is fully articulated. She wears a pink cutout top, pink vinyl mini skirt, and pink high-heeled boots. She is just stunning. This group of Barbie Looks dolls is known as the Y2K series. Both of these dolls are a beautiful addition to my collection. These last two dolls are from the current Barbie Basics line of 2025. This is model number 1. She has an Asian face sculpt and shoulder-length brown hair with highlights and a lot of product. It's going to take some work. She's fully articulated, and she wears a very basic, very mini black t-shirt dress and black heeled boots. She also has gold hoop earrings. All in all, she's a very cute doll. Our last doll is model number 2. She has a real Ice Queen vibe going on with her gorgeous platinum hair and her crystal blue eyes. She is fully articulated and wears a black cutout mini dress, which is very cute. She also has very tall black cage boots and silver hoop earrings to complete the look. She's really beautiful. Another one of my favorites. The Barbie Basics 2025 series is a reboot of the Basic line that first appeared in 2010. I think they do justice to the original Basics. They're very beautiful dolls. I don't have the room, the dollars, or the inclination to get every Barbie doll. I pick dolls that I really like and that fit well into my collection. I think that these dolls are a great addition. Thanks for stopping by. I hope you'll stop back again to see more dolls, check out clothing, dioramas, and more. Hit the like button, don't forget to subscribe, leave a comment, and until next time, take care.